Have you ever wondered how a divine celebration takes place in the heart of India? Today, we delve into the preparations underway for the grand festival of Pran Pratishtha Mahotsav of Lord Ram Lala, slated for January 22nd in Ayodhya. Ayodhya, a city steeped in myth and legend, is buzzing with activity. The city is setting the stage for a grand celebration that will see the Pran Pratishtha, or the consecration, of Lord Ram Lala. This significant event marks the moment when the deity is infused with life. And for devotees, it's a time of immense joy and fervor. The preparations are in full swing, with meticulous attention to every detail. From the decoration of the deity to the arrangement for the devotees, every aspect is being handled with utmost care and dedication. The city is decked up like a bride, and the air is thick with anticipation. The event is expected to attract lakhs of devotees from across the country and even the globe. The local administration is leaving no stone unturned to ensure that the event is conducted smoothly and that every devotee gets a chance to be part of this divine celebration. The Pran Pratishtha Mahotsav is not just a religious event, but also a cultural extravaganza. It showcases the rich cultural heritage of Ayodhya and gives a glimpse into the deep-rooted devotion of the people towards Lord Ram. As the countdown begins, the city of Ayodhya is all set to welcome Lord Ram Lala with open arms and hearts full of devotion. This grand event promises to be a confluence of faith, devotion, and cultural celebration, reflecting the spirit of India. In conclusion, the upcoming Pran Pratishtha Mahotsav in Ayodhya is a grand celebration that embodies the faith and devotion of the people. With meticulous preparations underway, the city is all set to host this divine event, promising a unique blend of spirituality and culture.